Good morning, boys. Welcome to your last week of lockdown, level 3, level 2. Um, I'm sure we're all going to be glad to get back to school next week just to see each other um, and not be on our own so much. Okay, this is our page for today. We're under Learning Without Limits, 8BL, Monday, week 5, and this is what you're doing here. Um, we've got 3 different things that we're doing this week. The figure it out activity, you're going to do 1. You've got today and tomorrow to do it. Now the choices, riding the waves, that's a surfing one, and that's the easier one. So that would be Delta boys and some of the Gamma boys. And the harder figure it out that you can do is called roller coaster, and that's for some of the Gamma boys and the X-ray boys. This here is where you find it. I am going to have group chats today, and I'm going to be recording who is at the group chat at the end. So please don't drop out of the group chat. I'll try and make them reasonably short. Stick with them, okay? Then you've got writing. So you'll need to read through that and ask Lane if you've got any questions. And then to finish off the day, we've got STEAM. Now, as I said last week, we're moving away from the house builds. So we'll return to them at school to actually do the building. But for now, you've got 2 choices. You can do some baking, something like scones or pizza bases, something that stretches you a little bit, or you can build a little model of something. And I've got a link here that you can click to, a whole lot of things like this that you could have a go at. Hopefully you've got some glue at home that you can use. So that's dependent on you having that stuff. You could use PVA, you could use a hot glue gun, you could use a glue stick if you're clever with that. For reading, you've got the same reading work that you had last week, which is doing 2 C readers in the week and 2 vocab in the week. So 2 comps and 2 vocab. And we're back on to Ed Perfect, and we're going to do, I'll set you 1 task, which is their well done He Tino Pai unit. They reckon it takes you about 18 minutes worth, and that's all for the week. So you've got to get through that. Here's a reminder of how you get on. And that's it for today. Please talk to me if you need help. I've had some boys that sort of have gone off reservation with their work, and I had to contact their parents last week, and that's resulted in them at the end of the day having to have a live meeting with me and their parents in attendance, and they go through every single thing and prove to both of us that they've done it, and prove to both of us that they've attended the mass meetings, that they've done every single little bit of work. Now, that is for boys that have just been fudging. I don't mind if you're struggling, but you contact me and you let your parents know. Otherwise, you just got to get on with the work. Hopefully, you're not one of the boys that have had to have that happen to you in order for you to get on task. Okay, if you have any questions, can you post them to the chat page? Thanks for those guys that do help answer those questions when they go up on the chat page. That's really cool. Be smart, collaborate, okay? Work with people. You might be helping each other with your writing. You might be 2 people that are doing the same thing, baking the same thing at home, and you're communicating with each other. by the way that baking is parent supervision. You might be helping each other get through the figure it out. There's all sorts of smart ways to work. So choose to do those, guys. It does help. Okay, give me a call if you need any help, and good luck, everyone. Thank you.